What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung faced some criticism when they unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as many people felt that the changes from its predecessor were disappointingly minimal. In fact, some even went as far as calling it the Z Fold 4S, and I can see why. The design is virtually unchanged, with only noticeable updates being a new hinge and a brighter display. However, the Z Fold 5 is not an iterative upgrade. The improvements, especially in key smartphone aspects, are quite substantial thanks to a key hardware change. I'll come back to that in a moment, but here's the biggest reason why the Z Fold 5 is miles ahead the competition, such as Google's Pixel Fold. You see, one of the biggest reasons people buy foldables is to get that big screen experience in a small screen form factor. But what's the use of the big screen if the apps look like this? To find out how big of an issue is this, PhoneBuff tested the top 100 apps on the Play Store to see how many scaled properly on the inner screen. And surprisingly, the Z Fold 5 scaled all the 100 apps properly, while it was just 45 on the Pixel Fold. Yes, the Pixel Fold is brand new and Google needs some time, maybe years, to optimize all the major apps, but considering its wide aspect ratio, it's gonna be hard. And when the CEO of Samsung said that the aspect ratio of the Z Fold 5 is perfect, he was probably talking about this. By the way, here's a crazy offer if you are interested in the Z Fold 5 or any devices they launched at the event. Samsung is now offering an additional 15% off with the education discount. That's $270, plus an additional $50 off if you use my link. That's a total of $320 of instant credit. Plus, you'll also get up to $1,000 of trade-in credit, free storage upgrade, and $150 off of the 1TB variant. You know what's even crazier? You can get the Z Flip 5 for free with this offer if you trade in the Flip 4. Plus, Samsung will pay you $50 extra, which you can use to buy their accessories. The offer lasts till August 10th, so if you're interested, the link is in the description. Moving on, you see the S23 Ultra, just like the Z Fold 5, doesn't feature major changes. But one key change made it the biggest upgrade in years, and that is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip for Galaxy. Not only the phone saw significant improvement in performance, but the battery life, camera, and thermal heat management have gotten significantly better. And that is what we're seeing with the Z Fold 5 as well. This one change is improving almost every aspect of the phone. I mean, look at this battery test. The Z Fold 5 has the same battery as the Fold 4, but still, after 3 hours of video streaming tests, the Z Fold 5 lost only 14% battery with a bigger screen, while the Fold 4 lost 31%. What's even more impressive is that the Z Fold 5 with a bigger screen and a smaller battery is outperforming the S23 Ultra. On the performance front as well, the phone not only is significantly faster than the Fold 4, it's even better than the S23 Ultra, which is amazing. And what's impressive is that even though the Z Fold 5 features the same camera hardware as the Fold 4, there is a noticeable improvement in camera quality thanks to that new image signal processor. So no, the Z Fold 5 is not an iterative upgrade. Just like the S23 Ultra, the phone is seeing some notable changes courtesy of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.